Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, Forex trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader looking to refine your skills, this video is packed with valuable information to help you navigate the world of foreign exchange trading. So, let's dive right in. Understanding Forex trading basics. First things first, let's talk about the basics of Forex trading. Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is the largest financial market in the world, where currencies are traded. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, making it accessible to traders from all around the globe. Now, the key idea here is to profit from the exchange rate fluctuations between different currency pairs. When you trade Forex, you're essentially buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. Currency pairs are quoted in terms of one currency against another, such as euro to US dollar or pound sterling to Japanese yen. The price of a currency pair is influenced by various factors like economic indicators, geopolitical events, and market sentiment. To start trading, you'll need a broker, access to a trading platform, and a solid trading strategy. Benefits and risks of Forex trading. Now, let's explore the benefits and risks of Forex trading. On the positive side, Forex offers incredible liquidity, meaning you can enter and exit trades easily. There's also the potential for significant profit, thanks to leverage, which allows you to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. However, with great potential comes great risk. Forex trading is highly leveraged, meaning losses can escalate quickly. It's essential to have a risk management strategy in place to protect your capital. Also, the 24 hours a day, 5 days a week nature of the market can lead to emotional and mental exhaustion if you're not careful. So, while Forex offers great opportunities, it's not a guaranteed path to wealth and requires careful planning and discipline. How to get started in Forex trading. Now, let's discuss how you can get started in Forex trading. First, educate yourself about the market. Learn the terminology, understand how different currency pairs work, and grasp fundamental and technical analysis. Next, choose a reliable Forex broker. Look for one that aligns with your trading goals and offers a user-friendly trading platform. Most brokers also provide demo accounts, allowing you to practice trading without risking real money. Take advantage of this to refine your skills. Once you're ready to trade with real money, start small and gradually increase your position size as you gain confidence. Remember to have a trading plan, including risk management strategies and goals for both winning and losing trades. And always keep learning and adapting to the ever-changing market conditions. Forex trading strategies. Let's delve deeper into Forex trading strategies to help you make informed decisions about which approach may suit you best. The world of Forex offers a myriad of strategies, each tailored to different trader preferences and risk tolerances. 1. Day trading. Day trading involves opening and closing positions within the same trading day. Day traders capitalize on short-term price movements, often focusing on smaller time frames like minutes or hours. This strategy requires a keen eye for technical analysis, quick decision-making, and the ability to manage multiple trades efficiently. Day trading can be rewarding but also demanding, as it demands constant attention to the markets. 2. Swing trading. Swing traders hold positions for several days or even weeks, aiming to capture price swings within a trend. They typically rely on technical analysis and may use indicators like moving averages, Fibonacci retracements, and support/resistance levels to make their trades. This approach offers more flexibility than day trading and allows traders to maintain a balance between trading and daily life. 3. Long-term investing. Long-term investors in the Forex market adopt a fundamentally driven approach. They focus on macroeconomic factors, such as interest rates, inflation, and geopolitical events, to identify currencies with the potential for long-term appreciation. These traders may hold positions for months or even years. While this strategy demands less active monitoring, it requires patience and a thorough understanding of global economic trends. Regardless of the strategy you choose, disciplined execution is paramount. Emotional decisions often lead to impulsive actions and losses. Implementing risk management techniques, such as setting stop-loss and take-profit orders, is crucial to protect your capital and maintain trading discipline. Diversifying your portfolio by trading different currency pairs can also help spread risk and reduce the impact of unexpected market movements. Remember that there's no one-size-fits-all strategy in Forex trading. It's essential to align your chosen approach with your trading goals, risk tolerance, and the time you can commit to trading. Additionally, continuous learning and practice are keys to honing your skills and adapting to ever-changing market conditions. Forex trading tools and resources. To succeed in Forex trading, you'll need access to various tools and resources. Firstly, stay informed about economic events and news releases that can impact currency markets. Websites, economic calendars, and news outlets can help with this. Technical analysis tools, like charts and indicators, are essential for making informed trading decisions. Popular platforms offer a wide range of these tools. Also, consider using risk management tools like stop-loss and take-profit orders to protect your investments. Furthermore, there's a vast online community of Forex traders, offering forums, blogs, and educational content. Joining such communities can provide valuable insights and support throughout your trading journey. Final thoughts. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide to Forex trading, remember that trading in the foreign exchange market can be a rewarding experience, but it's not without its challenges. It requires continuous learning, discipline, and the ability to adapt to ever-changing market conditions. So, if you're considering Forex trading, take your time to educate yourself, develop a solid trading plan, and practice in a demo account before risking your hard-earned money. With the right approach, you can unlock the potential for profit in this exciting and dynamic market. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on Forex trading and other financial topics.